Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I show you how to generate PDF in Laravel application. One great package provides the ability to generate PDF using HTML in Laravel. Just type Dompdf into the Google and you see the first result, Dompdf slash Dompdf. This is the package provide the ability to generate PDF from the HTML in your application. So let me install this package in my application. Let's stop the server and fire this command. Composer require dompdf slash dompdf. Package installed successfully. Let me start server again. PHP artisan serve. And let's refresh. It's still working. Now I'm going to use this demo and implement in this route. So let me specify use statement here, and I'm going to copy this code and specify it here. Let me format it first. Here create a Dompdf instance of the Dompdf class and set the paper and orientation. You can specify portrait here, and also you can specify any size of paper, A3, A2, any. This is the optional. And this render method render the HTML as a PDF, and then stream method generate the PDF for the browser. So let me specify this view into the HTML function for load this view in this instance. Let me remove this return statement, no needed anymore, and specify name of the PDF. So let me specify name demo PDF. Also I'm going to specify one option here, attachment, and make it false, because this stream method default download the PDF, but if we want to render this PDF into the browser and view into the browser, then we need to make this attachment options false. So let's refresh the browser and check. You can see here now HTML is rendered as a PDF into the browser with the same route. So you can easily convert any of your HTML of Laravel application. You can easily convert it into the PDF. You can easily download it and render it into the browser. If you want to download, just remove these options and just refresh, and you can see here the download options appear with the name of the demo, which is I provide into the stream function as the argument. So this is a very easy package, and you can easily integrate in your Laravel applications. Lots of the options provided by this package. You can set your default fonts and any other things if you want to set, then you can easily set it and create your PDF beautiful with the CSS and convert your HTML into the PDF. So enjoy this package. Thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.